A really unique feature with the Sahara dryer is the ability to go from electric to gas with just the touch of a button. So if you have to use electric one day or if you have to use gas another day, you're able to do that simply by pushing a button in the settings. Now, another really cool feature is that we have the ability to service natural gas and also propane. No matter what you have, electric, gas, propane, natural gas, it doesn't matter. We've taken care of all bases. Another really awesome feature of the Sahara dryer is being able to preheat the dryer before you even show up. So you could set the time, the temperature, the date, all the parameters that you want and have it automatically turn on before you even show up. A lot of times people are standing around waiting for the dryer to heat up just so they can start production. This will fix that entire problem. You can't talk about the Sahara without bringing up the fact that it has a recipes feature. So you can save all your parameters on whether you're printing plastisol or if you're doing water-based, poly, cotton, whatever it is that you set, you can save those settings, go back in, and it programs the dryer to know exactly what you want for that specific job.